How to recover deleted photos from iPhone without any app. Whenever you delete photos from your iPhone, they are not permanently erased immediately. They go to the recently deleted folder where they stay for 30 days. From there, you can easily recover your photos. For that, simply you have to launch your photos on your device. Once you are on your photos, you have to make sure that you are under albums. Once you are on your albums, simply scroll down to the last. When you scroll down to the last, there you'll see option of recently deleted. Simply tap on it. From here, you need to verify your user Face ID or passcode. Once you do that, simply select the photo that you want to recover, and then at the bottom right you see recover. Simply tap on it and then you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can recover your deleted photos without needing any third-party apps. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.